All right, so good morning, everyone. Today is Kaiya's birthday. So it's Crunch Baby's birthday. Woo, woo, woo. We're having it at Huntington Beach. We're having it at a park next to Huntington Beach or in Huntington Beach. We hope that Kaiya has a great time. We have a piñata for her. We're actually gonna play some games. So if you guys stick around, you guys will see what games we actually play. Come celebrate Kaiya's birthday with us. Okay, so I just set up everything at the park and went to go pick up the food. Check it out. We went to Lazy Dog, got some pizza and wings. Let's check it out. Oh, I gotta change. So I usually wear a tank top, but Crunch Mom actually made me a shirt, so check it out. Check it out, look at little Mickey, and then good job, Crunch Mom. Very nice, awesome, thank you. All right, let's head over there and check everyone out. Let's see who's here. Oh, hi, hi.
Where did you find us?
Hi, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I skipped the whole, you know, the one I showed you, the mom and dad. I was like, well, did you make Jordan's shirt too? Oh. Like, that's really...
Oh, goodness.
It's Kaiya's birthday.
What is it?
Kaiya's birthday.
It is, you're right. What are we doing today? Huh?
We're doing her party at the park.
You're right, we're partying at the park. I wonder if she really realizes that it's her birthday.
Who, Kaiya?
Yeah.
She doesn't know it's her birthday.
I don't think so either. All right, so we're gonna wait for everyone to show up. It's about 12 o'clock. So we'll see everyone. All right, we'll see you guys in a bit. How is it? Good? All right.
Wow.
How is it?
Yeah.
Good? Oh, nice dress.
Yeah, I went to Burma, and they only have German.
Nice.
Oh, I don't like it.
No more? I could have one bite?
They are their children.
Oh, thank you. Oh, is it delicious? Oh, you dropped your pepperoni.
Elizabeth, come here.
Oh, good idea. Good idea. You didn't get it? Oh. Oh, now you got it. How is it?
It's not salty or anything.
They're new.
I just want to eat any more salty. It's good. I'm doing those. So I don't know if you could eat because I have a certain amount in a day. I'm 먹으면 돼요. Oh, I see.
Here, Mom, my mom has a water bottle.
Look at this. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Painting?
Nice. Can I eat it?
No.
Oh.
Because it's paint.
Oh, it's paint. I see. They look like gender reveal parties. Good job, Crunch Mom.
I thought they were gonna be pastel pink. I didn't realize they were gonna be
They're hot pink.
hot pink.
It's okay. It blends in with everything else.
Did you show them these?
Oh, yeah.
So cute.
Where are they?
They're mini ribbon cookies, sugar cookies,
Wow.
like these two.
Wow, check those out. And then check out the magnet. Show them the magnets. They look like cookies, but there's a
So
magnet.
She's so talented.
Mm-hmm.
Did you show the piñata? Where's the piñata? Did you hang? Oh.
Can't tell the name.
Should we do the piñata still?
Huh. $20.
Oh.
There's French Mom shirt. Alright guys, so now we're gonna do the piñata, so check it out. Check this thing out.
Look at Lizzie.
Kids are gonna do the piñata now. I gotta go and lift it up.
Ready, set.
Whoa! You got it.
You have to stick.
Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah!
Whoa! Whoa!
We used to always
Whoa!
Nice!
just in case.
Whoa!
Jordan, keep going!
Whoa! 남자는 남자야.
I think you got the handle.
I got the handle. Oh, nice. Oh, who's this cool baby? Oh, you want to put that one on? All right, see you later, cool baby. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. All right, guys, so we're going to start playing some games now. We're going to play Squid Games. We're going to play Squid Games 2 rounds.
Appropriate for a 2-year-old party.
Exactly. This is 2 rounds, and this is what the winner gets.
Where's the...
Go ahead and explain it.
All right, who's ready for some Squid Games? Okay, we're doing 2 rounds.
So there's only going to be one winner. All right, so the winners, come over here and grab a plate, please. Your first shape is... Oh, there you go.
What is that supposed to mean?
There you go. So you have to scratch it out and try not to break the inside shape. But you have to disconnect this from this. This one's the easiest one. Go get a plate, hurry. Oh, see, I already helped you out. Shh. Oh, goodness, that looks.
Can I get the plate?
Oh, do you need a toothpick? Oh, you got a toothpick. Okay, nice. Oh.
Do you like it?
I don't know. I think I still see like a little piece there. Like a tiny little piece.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
She won! Wow. Check out this cake.
Oh, that's a Mickey Mouse cake.
Nice. Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, ready? And ready, stand up and whoop.
Minnie Mouse or I'm a blackberry.
How is the cake?
Blackberry.
Okay. Sprinkles. Okay.
Nice. Is it good? Don't touch the table. Okay.
I got this small piece.